Do you know which home renovations can truly elevate your property's value? In a recent Realtor.com survey, 70% of U.S. homeowners say they plan to renovate their home within the next year. But which home improvements have the best ROI? Here are the top 3. Number 1. Replacement of HVAC systems and roofs, coming in at an average of over 70% ROI rate. Second best renovation is a mid-range bathroom, having a 67% average ROI rate. And finally, the gathering area, the kitchen. A kitchen remodel has a 42% average ROI rate. Why do these kinds of renovations boost value? With higher mortgage rates, homebuyers are increasingly inclined towards move-in ready homes, not fixer-uppers. So plan wisely and watch your property thrive.